Hello, I hope you're doing well. We are going to make some chapati mayai for a perfect, easy to make breakfast. And we will need some onions and tomatoes, some eggs, chapati that is already prepared, and a pinch of salt. We'll also need some little oil and a pan, of course. So let us get there. This is one of the easiest meal that you can make for your family in the morning and also as a snack of the day. Karibu, let us now get into this. My plate has my bowl has nyanya, kitunguu, a pinch of salt, and the 2 eggs. So I'll beat them together and then we get to the pan. Pour a little bit of oil in your pan and then let it heat up kidogo. Pour your mixture into the pan and let it cook one side and then turn it to the other side so that it can cook also. That is how perfect it now comes out. We can now roll it using our fork. And there is our CHAPO mayai, very heavy for a breakfast to keep you going all through the day. For these and more recipes, please subscribe to this channel and share, like, and invite your other friends to come and follow. Thank you for watching. Bye bye till next time.